Yes, good morning children. Next exercise 4.2 exercise. Which of the following options is true and why? Yes. What is the question? Y equal to 3x plus 5 as this is the options. First one unique solutions, only two solutions, infinite many solutions. See, what is the question? Y equal to 3x plus 5. This is the question. So here y equal to 3x. How many variables are there? Two variables are there, y and x. So is a linear equation in two variables and it has infinite possible solution. As for every value of x, there will be a value of y satisfying the above equation. So is three option, which one is correct? Option third. How many solutions are there? Many solutions are there. That is the answer. Now next main. See, second main children, this one. Shall I start? Second main, read the heading. Write four solutions for each of the following equation. How many solutions need to write? Four solutions. So, four solutions means how to write four solutions. First of all, you can take linear equation. A linear equation means what is the linear equation? 2x plus y equal to 7. This is the equation. How to write solutions means, first of all, if x equal to 0, if x equal to 0 you take, one solution you will get. So 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 0, 0 plus y equal to 7. Y equal to how much? 7. So 0, if when x equal to 0, that time y value how much? 0, 7. Y value 0, 7. See children here. Therefore, 0, 7 is a solution of this equation. Is a solution of this equation. Solution of this equation. Same like that only. If x is equal to 1. Second case, if x equal to 1 you taking means. If x equal to 1, you can submit in this equation only linear equation. 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 1, 2 plus y equal to 7. Y equal to plus 2 that side going means minus 2, 5. So, 7 minus 2, 5. 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5 is a solution of this equation. Solution of this equation. Same like that only. If x is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1 you are taking means 2 into minus 1 plus y equal to 7. 2 into 1 minus 2 plus y equal to 7. Y equal to plus 2 that side going means, sorry, minus 2 that side going means plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. So, minus 1 comma 9 is a solution of this equation. Minus 1 comma 9. Minus 1 comma 9 is a solution of this equation. Same like that only. If x is equal to 2, you can submit. How many solutions they are asking? 4 solutions. 1, 2, 3 and x equal to 2 you taking means one more solution you got. So next to sum I will explain. Listen. Yes. This is also write the 4 solutions of this equation. X is equal to 4y. So x equal to 4y. This is the question. First case. If x equal to 0. If x equal to 0 means 0 equal to 4y. Then 0 equal to y. So 0 comma 0 is solution of this equation. If x equal to 0 finish. Next, if x equal to minus 1. If x equal to minus 1 means x where is that? There want to submit minus 1 equal to 4y. So, you want to y value now. So, 4 want to send to this side. Here 4 is doing with multiplication. You send it this side. This side means minus 1 by 4 equal to y. So, minus 1 comma minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 means this is the minus 1. When you submitted minus 1 x instanted of y, what do you get y value? Minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 comma minus 1 by 4 is a solution of this equation. Is a solution of this equation, isn't it? Next, same like that only. If x equal to 1, if x equal to 1 means 1 equal to 4y. 4 is doing multiplication, you send it this side, means 1 by 4 equal to y. So 1 comma 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4 is a solution of this equation. How many solutions they are asking? 4 solutions. 1, 2, 3, it's over. Now if x equal to 2, if x equal to 2 means 2 equal to 4y. 4 is doing multiplication here. 2 by 4 equal to y. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to y. So 2 comma 1 by 2 is solution of this equation. How many solutions? 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? Understand? We'll move to next sum. Third main, check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Some cases are given. So which option is suitable for this equation? So what is the equation? X minus 2y equal to 4. First solution you can take. First solution means, which is the first solution? 0, 2. 0, 2 means x instanted of 0, y instanted of 2. Putting x equal to 0, y equal to 2. See, 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. 0 minus 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 4. Minus 4 equal to 4, both same. No, it's not same. So 0, 2, it's not solution of this equation. Understand? 0, 2, it's not solution of this equation. So we are moved to second case. This is the second case. Putting x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. X equal to 2, 2 comma 0 na. So x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So see children, here 2 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4. 2 minus 2 into 0, 0. 4. 2 equal to 4. This both are equal? No, it's not equal. So this is also not suitable. So first option also not suitable. Second option also not suitable. Now we are going to third option. So 2 comma 0 also, it's not a solution of this equation. Now which one is first case and second case? It's not suitable. Now we are taking to fourth case, third case, 4 comma 0. So 4 comma 0, putting x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. So 4 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4. 4 minus 2 into 0, 0 equal to 4. Then 4 equal to 4 you got now. So this is satisfied. Which option is suitable? Third option is suitable. Which option is suitable? Third option suitable. Is it? No need to do fourth one and fifth one. Enough. You got here only answer na. That's it. Next, main. Therefore, 4 equal to right side and left side both are equal na. So therefore 4 comma 0 is solution of this equation. Okay. Yes, now we are moved to next exercise. Next, yes, fourth question. Find the value of k. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. What is the equation? 2x plus 3y equal to k. This is the equation. 2x plus 3y equal to k. So put x equal to 2, y equal to 1 in the given solution. x instead of 2, y instead of 1. So see children here, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to k. 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 1 3 equal to k. 4 plus 3 7 equal to k. So what they are asking? K value they are asking. So you got k value. That's it. Okay, thank you.